This video is going to focus on how to use Blogger. It also would work similar in any other blog, but how to use it as a classroom tool for flipping your classroom or taking your classroom online and using more technology in the classroom. I have a blog I've already created, Honors Chemistry. It's what I used when I was teaching chemistry. You could also create a new blog, but if you already have a blog ready and set up for your class, all you have to do is you can go straight to new posts from here, or you can click on that blog and actually look at more details about your specific blog here with your traffic graphs and things like that. Since we want to do a new post, we'll click new post, and there's two basic views here. You've got the HTML, where if you know code or have code to insert there or embedding things, or you can use this, that what you see is what you get. We have here an undo button, and once you've started typing, that becomes live. And let's say we're going to set up an assignment. I like to use just the date as it, but I can undo and remove the date and things like that. You can do the font size, whether it wants to be a heading or subheading, etc. The normal text edit features here. This is the insert section where you can add links of places you'd like them to go, upload pictures or files, videos, make a break there, your alignment, numbering, bullets, quotation marks, remove the formatting, and then finally spell checking. So I begin my class the same way every day. I'll have them work on a starter, so I'll say work the starter for today. It's time to change classes again. And then I will have them watch a video, let's say on this split day. So watch the following video. And I can do a link to the video. What I want to do is actually insert the video. You can insert the video, upload one, you can insert it from YouTube, from your own YouTube channel, from your phone or your webcam. I'm going to do one from YouTube, and I think the last thing I had there, yeah, that's my search string. I'm going to do this video on balancing equations. So I have the video that I want them to watch, and then I want them to move to their lab table and begin working the balancing activity. And that's where I move them off to a table where I've set up an activity. You can keep going, list whatever you want them to do. I'm not going to go through making up a whole more of the lesson or a whole lesson plan. Over here at the side under the post settings, at the top you got publish. That's when you're ready to make it live. Save, you're saving it to come back and work on later. Preview, we'll go ahead and do that now. This is just getting a look at what it's going to look like. When it goes live, it's going to look here. I'd go ahead and hit the play button to make sure it's going to play. Once you see it's playing, you know you're good, and you can always pop back over here. Labels, if you want to actually put tags to it. So we'll say it's balancing equations. And you could add other tags, but I'm not going to add others at this point. Well, I love the scheduling feature. With the scheduling, you can make it become live at a different day and time. So say I want it to become live at 7 a.m. the day that I plan that for my lesson. That means they won't be able to see this video, this post at all until that date. But then on that date at 7 a.m. it automatically posts. The beauty of scheduling is you can take one day and just work on your blog for the following week, and then every post will be ready to go, and you won't have to worry about it in the middle of the week. You can do this as far in advance as you want, and if you don't want them seeing what's coming up in the future, you can schedule it. And it's always easy if you've scheduled something and you need to get to it earlier, you can go in there and adjust that schedule either by bringing it forward or backward. You could add locations and things. I really didn't use that much in the classroom. So we've got it ready to go. Say we're ready to post. I'm going to hit publish. Notice here when I get to this list, these are the ones that I have posted in the past, but this one is listed as scheduled. That means until the date that it's scheduled to show up, it won't show up. And then on that date, it automatically displays for us. Again, I can edit it, I can preview it, or I can even delete it from this menu. Hope you've enjoyed watching and have fun playing with blogs.